Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I got a Fat Quarter Shop box in today, and it is way bigger than I expected it to be. I know what I ordered, and I can't think of anything that would require it to be this big of a box. So maybe something was larger than I anticipated, or I don't know. I can't think of why it's this big. All right, cut this open without hurting myself with this box cutter. Definitely gonna have to buy some more scissors. I don't know what has happened to them all. They have evaporated into thin air, I think. Oops. All right. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, I just have to show you. Look at it inside. It's wrapped so nicely. And what are these? Did I buy 2 of these? I thought I only bought 1, but I guess I bought 2 of these. What are these, you're asking? They are, I like that they wrapped them up this time, make sure they're nice and safe. They are Q snaps, and this is the 8-inch size. And I don't remember buying 2 of them, but I guess I probably accidentally put too many in my cart or something. Sometimes I'll think something's in my, sometimes I will forget something's in my cart and I go to add it again. So I wonder if that's what happened. So Q snaps. These are the 8-inch, which I have discovered is really my favorite size to work with. And yes, I could just keep unhooping my projects and reusing the same one, but I like to keep it hooped up and then just, you know, grab it and it's ready to go. All right. Next, I've got this, which looks exactly the same, but it's not. It's not a Q snap again. This is something a little bit different, and I don't normally get this type of thing, but I thought it might be really useful. It is a template for quilting. You can see how you can use it on the back. Hopefully there's not a glare there, but you can kind of come up with all of these different designs using this template. And I thought, you know, I don't normally draw out. That's the reason why I don't use templates for quilting usually, is because I don't normally draw out on top of the quilt when I go to do my quilting. I just kind of freestyle it. But I wanted to give this a try, because if I ever do want to do these kind of clamshell type designs, then, which I don't even see. Okay, yeah, they do have like a clamshell kind of example there. But if I ever want to do, oh, scallops, I guess they're called scallops. It would be helpful though to have something like this to do that with. I mean, you could use a cup to do it too, but it's not going to give you as consistent of a look. So that I thought would be helpful. And it was on sale, so. Oh gosh, I'm just throwing stuff off the table. Okay. I had to get more of the floss for the current one, the treehouse one, because I still can't find what happened to that skein of floss that I got. I bought 2 of them. I used one up and the other one is still missing. And I also went ahead and got the floss that I needed for, or at least the over-dyed floss I needed for the barn fabulous house as well. House barn? I think it's called house barn. House barn for fabulous house. Okay, so I think this is one of the reasons why it was a big box. And that is this Soft and Stable from Annie's. I'm going to move this box out of the way because a little awkward having it in front of me. And they were out of everything except for this size, but I think this size will work well for my project bags. And there'll be like an extra strip. It won't be quite the size that I need, but I'll have a little leftover strip because this is 13.5 by 18.5. And it comes with 4 pieces that are that size. And I kind of just wanted to do that, to try this out, to have a couple bags that were a little bit more firm and see how I liked that. So that is what that's for. And I will tell you guys, I'll keep you updated too on what I think about using that. Okay. This was the deal of the day. It is some of the blackboard color of the Zweigart Lugana. It's like Lori Holt branded. And it looks really nice, actually. Can't really, I mean, you can kind of see it through the plastic there. I don't really want to unpackage this to pull it out, but that is a pretty thick feeling piece of fabric. So it's 18 by 27 inches. It's a good size. And it is actually looking really nice quality too, which of course Zweigart is, but even through this, I can kind of tell that that's looking really nice. Okay. What else have we got in here? I got some of this mesh fabric. This was one of the monthly sales, and which we are almost out of July. I don't know if this video is going to come out before or after the end. Probably after, because we've got like 2 days left. So that should give you an idea of when I'm filming this. This is like, we're 2 days out from the end of the month. So you probably won't see this until this month's sales are over. But this was one of them as well. And I thought this would be really helpful for doing some kind of mesh pockets. So I might design a couple of new project bags, different types, and try out some mesh pockets on them. And if I like how they turn out, then I can do a video showing you guys how to do those ones. All right. Can you tell what this is? If you know, you know, I think. But if you don't, then you're probably just confused looking at the outside of the bag. Ooh, that feels like really nice quality too. It is. Oh, excuse me. It is a tote bag. And it's actually, that is really nice quality. It is a thick, thick canvas. And it's fully lined. You can see that in there. We've got a, let's see, we've got a zipper. It looks like it's just fully lined with one zipper pocket at the back. And I really liked this, and I wasn't sure whether I wanted to get it or not. Again, this was on sale. It's normally like 20 bucks, and it was like 10. But, which that is fantastic quality for 10. It's definitely worth the 20, I would say. But I don't really need a whole lot of tote bags in my sewing room. It just doesn't really fit into there. However, bless me, I'm sorry. I hope that wasn't too loud. I might cut that out. But I don't really need a whole lot of sewing bags or tote bags for my sewing room. They don't really have a place to fit in. However, we do always have a tote bag with us when we travel. And it's just for like toiletries and stuff. And our current tote bag is falling apart. It really is. It has seen better days. I've had it for several years, and it is just obliterated. So I thought this would be good to take its place. And I think honestly, it is. I think this is going to be a great one to replace it. It might even be better quality than the one that I had, which that one was pretty good quality. But all right, let's see. There's still more, guys. I got a pattern, quilty pattern, and of course, it's strawberries. Because why not? It is from Elizabeth Hartman. Again, I just kind of went crazy with the sales that they had on because they had some of my favorite stuff on sale, like Q snaps and Elizabeth Hartman patterns, and yeah. And when I saw the strawberry one, of course, I had to get it. They have all of her patterns on sale right now. Well, at the time of filming this, they had all of them on sale. But the vast majority of them are already sold out. So they had this one. So of course I had to get it. Oh goodness gracious. I don't think that's gonna stick to it if I try to put it back in there. 2 more things, guys. Oh, 3 more things. I did get another one of her patterns. I'm gonna show you that first. It is this big bird one. Okay, it's not a big bird, it's a big one with birds. But I was thinking I'd gotten another one, but this was at the bottom, so I didn't realize it. Yay! I love the toucans. Aren't they cute? There's like toucans and cockatiels and all kinds of parrots and stuff. That is so much fun. That is going to be so much work too. But it's so cute. All right. I think to a certain extent, I just like to collect her patterns, even if I don't end up making them, which is horrible. I will one day make them. Maybe not in this lifetime, but one day I will make them. And let's get into this first. We got fabric, right? Let's get into the fabric. Oh, tape. There we go. My nemesis, tape. Sometimes. Not always. Sometimes it's useful, but oh my gosh. Maybe plastic packaging is my nemesis. I just rip it all the way through. There we go. Whoa. Okay. I was confused for a second there. When I pulled it out of the plastic packaging, it pulled the little thing off of it. So then it all just flopped open. All right. I guess we'll just go with it. Actually, I don't want it to fall off out of place. Maybe I can. I don't know that I can do that. I can, however, untape it and then tape it back around. I think that'd be the smartest way to go about it. And there we go. That's a lot easier than trying to slide it back on. Just untape it at the back and attach it back. Pro tip for if you're ever needing to do that. I absolutely adore these flowers. So this is Art Gallery Dusk Fusion is the name of this it's not fat quarter pack. It is a layer cake. And with the I'm stuck on fat quarters. With the Art Gallery layer cakes, they give you 4 of each print, not the regular 2 that you would normally get. So I kind of like that because sometimes you want a little bit more of something in your quilt than just one tiny amount or 2, depending on it. Because I mean, some layer cakes you only will get 1. But I really love Art Galleries. stuff. They have such beautiful fabrics, and I love the feel of their fabrics. They have this very soft poplin cotton, cotton poplin. And it is just, it's a dream to work with, and it's a dream to wear. I will say that I like to make clothes out of their cotton and snuggle up with. I mean, it's just all around nice. It's also really fantastic for if you are making thermal packs for, any kind of, I think that's the last one. Yep, that's it. But I need to do a video of that because those are quite popular. I make them for friends and family all the time. And I have even made them to sell at, you know, bazaars and craft fair type things. And they usually do really well. So I'm sure they would do well for you guys too. And I have a unique way of making them. All right, so before I open it, I got this little package of tags. And these I do not put on quilts. I actually like to use these for scrunchies. These ones are, I kind of want to say these are a little bit bigger than the last fruit ones that I got, but I don't know, maybe not. But I just find them to be a lot of fun to put on scrunchies. And last time they had like all different types of fruit. This time I saw they had strawberries. And of course, I had to get them. I just don't have a choice. I had to. So last time I think it came with bananas, oranges, watermelons, and there might have been a strawberry with some strawberries too. But this is just all different background colors and different color strawberries. All right, guys, that is everything. Now, I'm an affiliate for Fat Quarter Shop. I did pay for all of this myself. This was something I purchased on my own, as it usually is, unless I specify otherwise. But I will put my link down below, and I appreciate it anytime you use it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.